Alright everybody, today is September the 21st, 2024. This is going to be the third race for the young birds for the Fredericksburg Racing Pigeon Club. It is 7:30 a.m. We're down in Wade, North Carolina. This is going to be a 250-mile race. I want to wish everyone good luck and for all the birds to get home safe and healthy. Here we go. Alright, only one got stuck in there this time. I didn't have my stick. Sorry about that. But they are out of here. Let's check them out. And there they go. Oh, they're cycling back. No, they're gone. Oh. There they go.